Okay, time to lay down some of the jobs, give them the final stab. This one, I suspected the PCA Super IO is gone. So, because that's what was heating up on the 3-volt rail. And NH50 HP, NH50 HP. Let's see. PL23. Yeah, 3-volt rail. So, because the Super IO was getting hot, I'd like to just remove that and see what happens. See if the resistance goes up considerably. If not, basically have many devices failed on the 3-volt rail, and we'll consider this a no fix. Three-volt rail resistance is reading 225 ohm. That is not good. Okay. We're going to remove the Super IO. Beautiful. Yeah, there are no bridges. That's the main thing. Okay. Now, let's check the resistance of 3-volt. still too low. 157, meaning pretty much many devices on the 3-volt rail are shorted. There's no point going any further. We're dealing with a dead motherboard. We'll reassemble the unit. That's the end of this job. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.